Hello, hello.
Hello, good morning, students. Hope you all are doing good. So now we are going to start our English lecture. This is our first lecture. So we'll start from prose only, but we have finished 1.1, which was, I guess, the astrologist day. Yeah. So we have finished this in vacation batch. Now we are going to directly jump on 1.2, and afterwards we will take this 1.1 again. So 1.2 is, wait, the on saying please. So 1.1 is one on saying please. We are going to start this now. So let's start. Let's see about the author first. So Alfred George Gardiner, 1865 to 1946, was born in Chelmsford in Essex. So he was born in Essex in Chelmsford. At the year 1865, he started his literary career as journalist at the age of 37. He was appointed as editor at the daily newspaper London. So at the age of 37, he started his career as a journalist, and afterwards he was appointed as a editor in daily newspaper. Under the pseudonym is print name, Alpha of the Block. He made a regular contribution in a daily newspaper. Means he was given his regular contribution in his daily newspaper. The Man Cheaters, evening, the Man Cheaters, the evening news, etc. His essays were uniformly elegant, graceful, and humorous. The pillars of society, the papers of the show, the men flows, and the leaves in the wind are the some of his best known writings. So this were his best known writing. His uniqueness lies in the ability to teach the basic truths. So where does his uniqueness lies? In the basic truth of life in an easy and amusing manner. Easy and amusing manner means it was entertaining, funny, which and easy to understand to people. He raised the question of morality in everyday's life. Morality means in our daily life to choose what is right or wrong. So our morality and in our behavior we chooses what is right or wrong. So morality means values which we use in our daily behavior. On saying please, he pointed out the value of the good manners. On saying please, he pointed out the value of the good manners in a social life and emphasized the importance of the courtesy and politeness. So he emphasized the importance of the courtesy and politeness. Courtesy means a respect. While we talk to someone with respect and politeness, we should be soft while talking, not should be rude. In a daily behavior, he shows his polite speech and manners sweetens the environment around him, and discourtesy and ill manners spoils the polluted. So he shows through on saying please, he shows that how politeness makes sweetens the environments. If we start our day with a sweet, the whole day go good. And if our day is started with any fight or something quarrel, our day will spoil. So it is the just a general easiest part of our life is telling the basic truth from it. So let's start now. Students, now you have to pay attention because it's not just a story. In between, he's given his experience and he's explaining into it. It's not a continuously story. In between, he's also sharing his experiences. On saying please, a young liftman in a city office threw a passenger out. So, liftman is a person who is authorized to take person through the lift. So, what did the liftman did? The city office, he threw the passenger out of his lift. So he just pushed 3 months. He just pushed the passenger out of his lift. Out of his lift the other morning, and was fined for the offense. Was undoubtedly in the wrong. So pushing someone is undoubtedly wrong. So he was fined for it. Next, it was a question of please. The complainant entering the lift said top. The liftman demanded top please. So the complainant means a person who was pushed by the liftman. मीन्स जिस जो पर्सन था वो कौन है अभी कंप्लेनेंट है so the question of the main concern of the left man was he was expecting he should say top please instead of just top. Say next line. This confession being refused, he only you're only viewer, no? Huh. He not only declined to comply with the instruction but hurled the passenger out of the lift. So he's the passenger. He just means the expectation was refused by the person who was thrown out, and hurled means he was pushed out. Next, this of course carry a comment on a manner so far. So yeah, it was undoubtedly that his manners were not good. To pushing someone out, it's not good. Discourtesy is not a legal offense. Okay, discourtesy means being rude to someone is not a legal offense until and unless he crosses his limit where the rules and regulation barrier stops. Discourse, and it does not excuses the assault and battery. So he has done assault. Means assault and battery. First, we will understand it what it is. Assault means to threaten someone, and battery means actually is physical hurt to someone is a battery. So he was telling it does not excuse assault and battery in it. If a burglar break into the house and I knew him down, if मैं burglar means चोर, जो चोर है अगर उसने मेरे घर में entrance लिया, I knock him down means if I means you take some action and pull him down. It is using this phrase. I knock him down. The law will acquit me, law will punish me, and if I am physically assaulted, it will permit me to retaliate. Means law will permit me in a self ways can I am permitted him to do a physical means if someone is hurting me, so in written I can also hit for my self defense only. So law permit me for this with a reasonable violence. Reasonable violence means if someone is hurting me, then I will hurt him back. Na? Without any reason, I could not hurt him back. Means there should be a reasonable violence. It does this because of the burglar and my assaultant has broken a quite definite comment of the law. Okay, so here, here the burglar as he entered in his house without his permission, so he have that much of liberty, and law has give the permission. We should not enter in someone's territory without his permission. So we have the so here he is telling he has broken the definition of the law. So he has broken the rule. Means entering in someone's house is broken the rule. But no legal system could not acquit a legislate against the bad manner. So there is no any means there is no any rule for the bad manners or could not sanction the use of violence against something which it does not itself recognize as a legally punishable offense. Offense means some कुछ तो गुनाह करना, कुछ something which we have done wrong is an offense. Now, what does he's telling? He should do and something legally punishable offense. Legally punishable offense, for example, we are taking this burglar who is without any permission enter in the house of it. So it is a legally punishable offense. And now the sympathy with the left man, we must admit that the law is reasonable. It will never be done if we were at a liberty to the box people's ears because we did not like the behavior. So he's saying, yes, we have a sympathy for the left man, but what does it tell again? Yeah, we have a sympathy for the left man. We should admit the law is reasonable. So yes, we admit it. It is reasonable. It will never do if we were liberty. Okay, it will never do if we were liberty. Means if we have a permission to box means fight, to fight with a person we didn't if we didn't like his behavior, his tone, his voice, or his face. So there he is telling we can box the people if we have a liberty, that means if we have a freedom to box people if we don't like their behavior, tone, voice, or a face. Then what will happen? What will happen? The gutters of the city will run with the blood all the day. So he's telling, if you have liberty, then each and every person will will fight with each other. And what will it result? It will result that the gutters of the city will run with the blood all the day. So yeah, in between they have given this explanation what I've told you before. He's not continuously telling any story. Now he's describing the feelings of the liftman. So you have to pay attention in this between also. So next, I may be uncivil as I am pleased of the law will protect me against the violence, retaliations. Okay, law will permit me against retaliation means किसी का बदला लेना है means in this for example here it is in the self defense, not a badla means not a revenge here. Okay, self defense means if burglar hits me means a chore hits me, he illegally enters in my house without my permission, then yes, the law will protect me against it. Where were we? Yes, I may be haughty or boorish, and there is a penalty and penalty to pay, except the penalty of being write down an illegal flow. Haughty means proud or rude, proud or rude. No penalty except the penalty of being ill-mannered. Ill-mannered flow means, ill-mannered means if means against the rules and regulation. Manner means when we follow the rules and regulations, then we are in manner. In the sense that when we follow our rules and regulations, then we are manner. Ill manner means hitting someone is an ill manner thing. Then we are punishable for paying the penalties for that. The law does not compel me to say please. There is no any law that means do compulsory mandatory to say please for anything. So for this there is no any law. My voice to the people is sensibility. Okay, my voice, where are we? My voice to the other people is sensible anymore that it says that I shall not wax my mustache or dye my hairs or wear ringlets. So these are not, means there is only no mandatory that we should dye our hairs, wax our mustache or wear the ringlets down the back. So there is no any complaint as there is no any compulsion to say please. In this way, to do mustache, dye your hair, ringlet, there is no any compulsion. It is individual's choice. It does not recognize the laceration. So it does not recognize the laceration means hurt. It does not recognize the hurt means inner feeling. If person is hurt by internally, then we what is this saying? We cannot recognize is of our feelings as in case of compensation. As in case of compensation means inner feeling if we are getting hurt, we can express it always. There is no any compensation for that. There is no there is no any allowance for the moral and intellectual damage in this matter. Moral and intellectual damage means morals means if someone hurts you, and intellectual damage means internal means our feelings which were hurted. So there is no any allowance for it. Now the next paragraph, it does not means that the damages are negligible. See, there are two types of damages, internal and external. So external damage is for the can be compensated, but internal damage is not compensated because people just can express their feelings or anyone hit someone. And for example, for the liftman, as the liftman was hurted because he was not because the person who was coming into the passenger, he does not talk to him a respectful manner. So he was hurted for it. And he was, what did he do? He did physically assault the person. He just pushed from his lip, which was undoubtedly wrong. So damage are not are negligible means physical are not negligible, but internal damage we can't say, means we personally can't feel how the person is feeling. So we can not neglect this also. Yeah, we have a sympathy for it, but we can't neglect it. It is probable that the liftman, yeah. So it is probable that the liftman was much more actually hurted. So the liftman was more hurting than the passenger. By which, by what he regards as a slur. Slur means unfair. So the behavior of the passenger was unfair with the liftman upon his social standing that he would have been if he had kicked his shin. Shin means a part of our leg between our feet and toes. If he was beaten on it, so he could get a legal redress. Means for hitting someone, he there can be a legal action. The pain of a kin can soon pass away, but the pain or wood of our self-respect or our vanity may poison our whole day. So yes, now he's telling that if someone hits your physical body part, yes, you will get hurt, but after some period of time, it will be cured. But if someone hurts your self-respect, it will poison your whole day. At the starting of the day, someone hurt your self-respect, came on your ego, for example, then your whole day you will think about it only. You don't have means you will continuously think about it, overthink on it. What will happen? Then the anger will increase in you more. So this was the thing he want to explain here. May poison his whole day. I can imagine that the liftman denied that relief to throwing the author of him would out of the lift. Wait. Huh. So he is telling, the author is saying, yes, I can imagine the feeling of the liftman, why he, sorry, wherever we deny to relieve throwing the author, then boarding over the insult by the heart. So here the person is telling, um, I can imagine, he can feel the feeling that the person is getting hurt, and the boarding means ill manner. The person, yeah, he behaved in ill manner. Insult by the heart. Yes, he insult that person. This also is agreed. Now how will we settle it? That we will see now. And visiting his wife, so he will have that anger. For example, he has told you, if his self-respect is certain, self-respect in earth, he will poison his whole day. Poison his whole means overthink the whole day. Now, here he is telling how he will settle the insult he has faced in after visiting his wife. He will settle his anger by removing on someone's hand, and on whom he will remove the anger, his wife, in the evening as the only way to restore the equilibrium. Restore means balance his anger by, and he will remove his anger on his wife, then his anger will be balanced. He will feel little relief by removing that anger. Miss, for example, sometimes we are in more angry mood. If we share with someone, then we feel relief. In the same way, some people's behavior are that if someone hurts you, when you will hurt other person, then they will feel the relief on it. So the same way, here the author is explaining to us. For there are the few things more catching bad temper and bad manner when, yeah, bad temper and bad manner. Other, and there are more things which is catching the ill manners, which are here is he is sharing one scene when Sir Anthony absolute bullied means talking rudely to someone, bullied Captain Absolute. So Sir Anthony is father of Captain Absolute, and later went out. Later means who the Captain Absolute went out to bully his man Page. Page means here it is a servant. Whereupon the page went out the downstairs and kicked the page boy. Page boy means first means a child who is at the age of what we can say 4 to 15 means a little younger. So here what did he did? There is a chain you can see now. Captain Absolute removed his anger on Captain sorry Anthony removed his anger on Captain, and then Captain went to Page. Then Page went to the Page boy. Sorry, Page went to the Page boy and removed his anger by kicking the Page boy. Prob- Probably the man who said Tom to the liftman was really only getting back to his employer who had not said good morning. So yeah, now we can see why. Now we are again going back to the liftman story. Here is telling why the person, the employer, was uh, just said top. Here is the scene before scene that his employer didn't reply him good man. Means here is explaining I'm going somewhere. I just said good morning to the employer and he didn't reply me back. Then I feel a little angry or insulted or a little guilty. So in this way he was having which poisoned that some period of time. And what happened then? He said stop. And then the lift man, what did he did? He followed the chain of the anger and pushed the passenger out of the lift. Now next, him back. Okay, good morning to him because he himself has been handpicked. The person who didn't reply him back, he was already handpicked. Handpicked means dominated at breakfast by his wife. Means while doing breakfast, there might be happen something which his wife dominated him. Now see the next. Now his wife to him the cook has been insulted because the housemaid had answered her back. So why the wife was dominating him? Because insolent means insult. Uh, her housemaid didn't answer her back, so she was in also that anger. So he removed her anger on his husband. And then what happened? He didn't say good morning to the employer. Then what did employer tell? Then employer go to lift. Then liftman pushed him out just by saying top, and liftman was expecting top, please. So just now, I just want to tell you that just connect the story in between. Yeah, he's explaining, but you should pay attention. You should link the each and every part of it. So we will hold for it for 5 minutes. Let's discuss first. So there was a first story of a liftman. So what did the liftman told? He just pushed the passenger out. So we are getting the link that passenger and the liftman. Then liftman was angry just because his employer didn't reply him good morning. Then his employer was hurting because his wife was what dominated him, handpicked him just by her maid didn't reply her back. So what we can say it here we infect the world by our ill humor. Ill humor. So this is what is the example he's giving that the train is going to the means in ill humor is going in the flow and it is infecting their whole day. Bad men probably do more to the poison, to the stream of the general life that all the crimes in the calendar. Calendar means in the court they arrange the trials, they gives the date for it. So they are in spite of the date they have used a calendar. For one who now there is another scene he's or example he is giving us for one One's wife who gets black eye. Black eye means under the eyes. Some people get, if someone is a, you can see now how there is a black under eye. So in the same way he is saying black eye. Black eye not even evil eye. बुरी नजर नहीं है, ये सिर्फ ब्लैक आई मीन्स कुछ पीपल्स होते हैं ना जो अंडर द स्ट्रेस दे गेट सम ब्लैक अंडर आईज, so in the same way he is explaining. For otherwise a good natured husband, there are the hundreds who lives lives for the martyrdom under the shadow of Moorish temple. So here there is telling that there are many wives who are suffering for the suffering under the Moorish temple. Moorish temple means sad. Under this, they are just suffering, but means they are suffering because their husband may be angry on him, and they're for doing the equilibrium, they are removing all his anger on his wife, just as the left man did. Yeah. So if there is a good natured husband, it will not happen, na? It will be a good for him also and his wife also. So yeah, we can see that how we should break the chain. Otherwise, people will suffer because of us. If I, for example, if I was in a place of a liftman and I remove anger on someone, and that someone person has removed anger on person B. Yeah, this was the flow. But if I am the left man, if and I was in place of the employer, his wife dominated him while breakfast. So if was I just respectfully told the person who was entering the lift that sir, can you say please for this, or may you request for it? Actually, it will not happen nowadays. People, they do not listen one word from others, so it is not possible. I'm just giving one example for you. So the next we will see Morris Temper. But all the same, the law cannot become a guardian of all our private matters. Private manner, yes, law cannot become a guardian for the guardian for the private matters, because every individual has their personal opinion on it. Everyone has their personal, what we can say, personal means everyone has a separate behavior, everyone react separately in the situation. In the same way, there is explaining there cannot be a private manner under the under law. Means law cannot make for individuals a guide what we are saying, private rules for that. No decalogues could cover. Decalogues means the person who makes the law, rules and regulation. Where behind that there are the person who see means according to situation they make some rules and regulations. So no any decalogue means they pointed out, yeah, this is the topic and we have to make rules and regulation on this, but it's not possible to cover the vast area of the offense, and no court could administrate the law which governs our social civilities, our speech, ties, and our eyebrows, and all our modes and manners. So, no any civility means our society could not. Yeah, we are governed. Means what we can say. I should give one example. Um, so the administrator of a law governing the society cannot make any rules and laws according to the speech that ties means to move our eyebrow, means the person who is in continuous stress or anger, uh, or is in bad mood or bad manner, ill manner. So there is therefore then court cannot administrate on the specific law to make this to make the society regulate smoothly. So there are some vast areas where there too the government could not reach, because there it is an individual, this personal personal managed behavior. Okay, so government cannot go to each and every person and tell you have to behave in this way or you will punish you in this manner. So it's not possible for each and everyone until and unless he do some crime, he do assault and battery as there is mentioned for before. 1 minute. Yeah. Now the next, but so we are bound to endorse. Endorse means what? Can you guess? Endorsement support. And next, support the verdict. Verdict means judgment against the left man. Most people will have a certain sympathy with it. Yeah, everyone has his personal opinion on it that the person, the left man, he was not treated with courtesy, politeness. The person who's entering the lift, he didn't talk to him in a polite manner. So yes, we have a sympathy for it. While it is true that there are no laws that compels us to save planes, as they have mentioned before, there is no any law who compel means mandatory us to say there is any compulsion to save planes. There is a social practice which is much older and much more sacred. Sacred means in Hindi or Marathi we can say pavitra, that may that any law which enjoins us to be a civil. So in means before where law rules and regulation जब बने नहीं थे तभी कुछ practices थे कि हम please thank you excuse me ऐसे use करते थे. Then afterwards the crime increased. Then we made rules and regulation. And when we do something compulsory now, there is some person who will means break the law. So in the same person, so we have to what we have to do, we have to carry that separate means that the which we were carrying for the old times. So we have to carry this to do enjoins our civilness, to move our society in a smooth manner. And the first requirement of the civility is that we should acknowledge a service, please and thank you. Two, so the first requirement is what? So we should acknowledge. Acknowledge means accept, to say please and thank you are the small changes. So these are the small changes with which we pay our ways of the social being. So as we are social animals, so we have, yes, social animals, social beings. So we have to pay them back by saying thank you and please. If someone is giving you pain, say please thank you. If someone is passing you something, say if someone say thank you. Sorry, I have to complete it. Please don't stop me. And then next. So these are the small changes which we have to follow. The next line where we were. There are the little courtesies or ways of the there are little courtesy by which we can keep the mechanism mechanized machine. Sorry, you don't please disturb me between. Yeah, I'm getting distracted. Yes, keep the machine of life oiled and running smoothly. So yes, here it is giving the example of machine in the real life, in the behavior, as we have discussed before. If we act politely to someone, the person will same, he will respond in a sweeter way. If we ask him or talk to him in a rude manner, so the reply will also get in a rude manner, right? So to smoothen it, we have to accept the small changes which are please and thank you. They put an intercourse means put our communication upon the basis of the friendly cooperation. Yeah. So when we communicate in a friendly manner, then we can talk, miscommunicate and sweetly, softly with someone. If someone is rude, we will not talk to them in that rude manner. Yeah. Cooperate and easy. Yeah. With cooperate and an easy give and take. So there will be an easy if you want something from someone, but he is a enemy. It is very difficult to face them, to ask to them for something, or or to take someone from something from them. So it will be difficult because we didn't do intercourse. There is a right. Instead, on the basis of the superior dictating to the inferior. Means there is so complex as superior inferior, so we should not keep in the between. It is a very vulgar mind that it would wish to command where he can have a service for asking and have an willingness for good feeling instead of the resentment. So there is a good feeling of means if there is a well manner, well behaved, then we can ask for the service. Uh, well, Miss here they are telling vulgar mind means if there are some persons we feel that angry only even if they are not doing the so there is so he's telling this is the vulgar mind on it. Now, yeah, having a service of asking means there should be a habit of talking to the person. If it won't talk, it is very difficult to us to take or share something, right? It will be the willingness and the good feeling instead of resentment. Resentment means angry. As I'm giving the example that if someone is angry with you, so it's difficult to face them, to ask them to share something, to take it as and to cooperate with them, right? Why Now, next paragraph. I should like to feature. Feature means you want to tell something important. Important in connection, my friend. In connection means the author's friend. The polite conductor. Yeah. Why is pencil is not working? But this is discriminatory title. Yeah, the title which she's saying discriminating is this polite conductor. As we know, the polite conductors are not polite nowadays. That at that time also when he has written this. So this title is discriminatory according to it. I do not have any incident to suggest the rebuff on the conductor's interview. Means of means the means the imagination of the conductor in our mind is that he generally they are in not this manner, but this was different. Discriminated, I don't have instead suggested report from right. Third, on the contrary, I am disposed to think. I didn't got my spirits. It's very hard. I dispose to think that there are very few classes of the men who come through the ordeal of very trying to call them better than the bus conductors do. Ordeal means a difficult or painful experience. So every person have any experience with the conductor. So what he's telling I'm disposed to think that there are very few classes, there are very few persons who are in means who are different from the regular ones, better than the bus conductor do. Here and there you will meet an unpleasant spiceman who regards the passenger as his good, means natural enemy. So he's saying here the conductor mostly sees people as the enemy, as a creature whose chief purpose means the purpose is to cheat them, cheat on the bus. So purpose on the bus is to cheat him. Yeah, it means to cheat them, and who can only to be kept reasonable, honest by the loud voice, aggressive manner. The conductor, yes, conductors are rude or they use loud voice because from morning to night they have to face hundreds of passengers throughout the day. So it's very difficult from each to manage them. So each and every person is not an shows politeness or courtesy towards the conductor. Some or another will be rude to him. So because of them, they are more the honest. So here he's saying they use loud voice and aggressive manner. But this type is rare. But his friend was rarer than it used to be. Rarer than means different from the other conductor. He was different comparing to the others. He was good from it. In France, the public owns much to be an underground railway company. This is a railway company which also runs the buses and instituting are certain standards of the civility. Why my tongue is flowing in this way? I can't understand, but yes. Yeah. Certain standards of civility to serve and taking care and standards in the observed. Yeah, means here they are telling they provide the first services of bus taking care of the standards who the underground railway company. Now the next. In doing this, it only makes the things pleasure for the traveling peoples and performs an important social service. So what pleasure means happy. So they provide the service which makes the pleasure to travel by their buses and performs an important social service. So making pleasure to passenger. What does they do? This provide any important social service to the passengers who travels from it. It is not therefore with any feeling or unfriendliness of the conductor of the class that I pay a tribute to a particular manner of the class. The first because the so yes, they are giving a tribute to the such manner of the class who are providing such services of the pleasure to the person who is traveling and giving means giving the pleasure services for the passengers, an important social service. Therefore, with the feeling of the unfriendliness, the conductor, as he's telling, he is different from this, so he is an unfriendliness of the conductor. So he's paying his tribute for him. Means he's grateful for it. So first become conscious of his existence one day. So he became the conscious more. He was getting more interest in it. One day when I jumped onto a bus and found that I had left house without any money in my pocket. So the author, when he enters in the means here is he's using jump, but when he enters into the bus, he found that he has not carried his pocket with him, without money in my pocket. So he's now what happens? See next. Everyone has had the experience. So he's saying everyone has experienced this sometimes. Experience and knowing the feeling, the mixed feeling. So everyone knows the feeling, the how the mixed feelings are there which discovers a roses. Roses, you are annoyed because you look like the fool at the best. Like knave, knave means to the person who is. I guess this is fraud. What can we say that? Here is telling the person is he don't have any money to travel now, so he was having the mixed feelings on it, and his arose means the particular face expression which they give when there is a mixed feelings, which you are annoyed because you look like a fool, and we are annoyed because we look like a fool. Hmm. You will not be at all surprised if the conductor's eyes on you coldly as much as you say yes. I know that the style old trick. Now then, off you get. Miss is telling the conductor. He was feeling that conductor was saying, I know this is a old trick. Get out of the bus. He was thinking, and and if and even if the conductor is a good fellow and lets you down easily, you are faced with a necessity of going back. Means he is sharing that if the situation happens with him, how even if he is a good conductor, he will say, will get out. Even if it's good, he will say that get out of this bus, and he will feel insulted. The author will feel insulted. In between so many people, he will remove her out of the bus, and inconvenience, praise, and missing train or your engagement. So what will happen then? He will be inconvenienced. Miss he will miss the train or the engagement. Miss where engagement it is used in this way that Miss he was he where his is where he want to go, where he is getting higher. So where he will connect the people, connect his work or the job where he's going, he will miss it. He's missed his train. After bus, if he want to take train, he will miss it, and he missed his engagement. He will get late for the engagement. So now here we will stop. Now we will take in the next lecture. We will revise it once and we'll start. Yeah. So have a good day. Thank you.